Hey guys, Olivia from Macro at Mazda and welcome back to a Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I'm going to be running you through the CX-60 360 Vision. So with your CX-60, coming as a standard is the 360 Vision, as well as your front sensors and your rear sensors, which is great. So all you need to do is press this little button here. It will pull up your 360 Vision. This is what, if you want to access it manually, you can change the view. So you can go out to a bird's eye view. You then have your regular view, but these yellow lines will allow you to do your dynamic guidelines, which is great. So predict where the vehicle is going, or you can just do your side view, so straight down, so you can park in the lines without a hassle. I'll also show you when we go into drive. If we get close to an object and the front sensors go off, the 360 Vision will pop up automatically, which is great. So it makes parking a breeze, forward parking, reverse parking. It's incredible. Come in and check it out if you like. Plenty of CX-60s to look at. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching our Tips and Tricks Tuesday in regards to the 360 Vision that is available.